Hey everyone, welcome back to TriTech AB, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartphones of the future, the Nothing Phone 3. Yes, the buzz around this phone has been insane, especially with its AI-powered features and rumors about a Pro variant. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. So, what's the story behind the Nothing Phone 3? Originally, fans expected it to launch in 2024. But in a recent interview, Carl Pei, the CEO of Nothing, dropped a bombshell. He revealed that they've delayed the launch to 2025 to make sure it's not just another smartphone, but a groundbreaking device packed with AI innovation. This delay might be disappointing for some, but it's clear that Carl Pei and his team are aiming for something big, something that could redefine the smartphone experience. All right, let's get into the juicy stuff, the leaks and rumors. First, AI features. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to integrate advanced AI that goes beyond voice commands or basic automation. Imagine a phone that adapts to how you work, play, and communicate. That's what this phone is rumored to deliver. Next, design. Nothing has always been about standing out, and the Phone 3 won't be any different. Expect to see their iconic transparent back with enhanced LED glyphs, a look that screams futuristic. Now, here's a big one, the Pro variant. Reports suggest that Nothing is introducing a Pro model for the first time. While the standard Phone 3 will likely target the mid-range market, the Pro version is expected to go all in with flagship-level specs, making it a serious competitor to brands like Samsung, OnePlus, and Apple. Let's talk expectations. Hardware. Leaks suggest the Nothing Phone 3 could come with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip for the Pro model and a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 for the standard version. This means you'll get buttery smooth performance whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking. Camera. Nothing might finally step up its camera game. Rumors point to an AI-enhanced triple camera setup, possibly featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor. AI could improve everything from night mode to real-time object tracking. Software. Nothing OS is already known for being clean and fast. With AI integration, we might see features like smart scheduling, personalized app recommendations, or even AI-driven battery optimization. Battery and charging. Speculation includes a larger battery and super-fast charging, possibly hitting 120 watts for the Pro version. Wireless charging and reverse charging will probably make a return too. Of course, the Nothing Phone 3 isn't entering the market alone. It'll face stiff competition from phones like the Google Pixel series, Samsung Galaxy S25, and even the iPhone 16. But here's where Nothing has an edge. Innovation. While other brands tweak existing features, Nothing focuses on fresh ideas like transparent designs, and now, AI-first functionality. If they nail the pricing, the Phone 3 and Phone 3 Pro could dominate their segments. So, is the Nothing Phone 3 worth the hype? Honestly, it seems like Nothing is taking all the right steps to deliver something extraordinary. But, as always, the real test will be in the hands-on experience, which I'll definitely cover here on TriTech AB. What are your thoughts? Are you excited about the AI features? And what do you think about the new Pro variant? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Trust me, you won't want to miss my hands-on review when the Nothing Phone 3 drops.